India tour of Sri Lanka 2024. India announced their ODI squad. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, role captain and batsman. Number 2 Shubman Gill, role vice captain and batsman. Number 3 Virat Kohli, role batsman. Number 4 KL Rahul, role wicketkeeper and batsman. Number 5 Rishabh Pant, role wicketkeeper and batsman. Number 6 Shreyas Iyer, role batsman. Number 7 Shivam Dube, role all-rounder. Number 8 Kuldeep Yadav, role bowler. Number 9 Mohammad Siraj, role bowler. Number 10 Washington Sundar, role all-rounder. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh, role bowler. Number 12 Riyan Parag, role all-rounder. Number 13 Akshar Patel, role all-rounder. Number 14 Khalil Ahmed, role bowler. Number 15 Harshit Rana, role bowler.